Well, go on, peeps. This is Ricardo. I'm up on the farm today, looking at all the acres that was given to me by the Jamaican government. And then I think about sometimes that all the slaves that worked so hard in the U.S. and other places that never was given, their family were never given retributions. They never got the 40 acres and the mule, which is a shame. Because we built that country for 400 years of slavery, abuse, neglect, bad food, rape, beatings, all of that. And they never gave us anything for retributions. Nothing. And right now, when I think of it, we make up 10% of the U.S. We have 80% of the black males are in jail. That don't even compute right. We have single mothers with no fathers. We have people finding love online because they need somebody to watch their kids when they go to their double shift. It's just a mess. We never were given our 40 acres and a mule. Until we get that, it's going to be rough, my people. Only thing I could say is try to find a place where you can go. I'm not going to say come to Jamaica, because I want it all for myself. But Ghana, all kind of other places, if you can. Move out of the big cities. Get out of New York, Chicago, LA. It's just a pot of crab. You'll never get nowhere unless you have special education and great opportunities. So, again, I'm going to dedicate this farm to all the slaves that worked so hard to give us an opportunity to own a farm now, because we were never given our share. This is for you. This land I will farm for you. God bless.